Hello guys, in this guide I'll walk you through how to transfer money from Ethereum wallet to bank account. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Ethereum wallet, in this case Trust Wallet. Once you've opened it, log in to your account. It's important to understand that banks still do not directly accept cryptocurrency. They only accept traditional currencies such as dollars, euros, or any other local fiat currency. Because of this, you cannot directly transfer Ethereum into your bank account. What you need to do instead is sell your Ethereum and then withdraw the equivalent cash value. To begin this process in Trust Wallet, tap on Ethereum. Once you've selected Ethereum, you'll see the Send option, which allows you to transfer your Ethereum to an external exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, where you can convert it into cash. Alternatively, you can sell Ethereum directly from your wallet. To do this, tap on the More option and then select Sell. After tapping on Sell, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to exchange, choose the fiat currency you'd like to receive, and confirm your transaction. Once the sale is complete, you'll have the cash equivalent available, which can then be withdrawn. After that, you can simply transfer the withdrawn funds into your linked bank account. And that is the only way to transfer money from your Ethereum wallet to a bank account. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.